Hi little buddies, prepare for an extraordinary rescue mission as farm animals like cows, goats, and giraffes unite with wild creatures including lions, polar bears, and hyenas, all stuck in the treacherous mud. Join us in a heart-pounding adventure filled with bravery and daring rescues from the sticky trap. Witness an unusual alliance as farm animals and wild beasts come together. Let's immerse into the video. Hooves of Thunder, the bisons. Bison play a critical role in shaping their habitats through grazing and trampling, which can help maintain the diversity of plant species and create habitat for other animals. Bison are herbivores. Insights into chicken behavior. Keeping chickens as pets can have therapeutic benefits. They are known to reduce stress and provide companionship. Chicken is one of the most versatile meats enjoyed in various cuisines globally. The master of the wild, Puma. Unlike lions, Puma do not roar. Instead, they communicate through growls, hisses, and purrs. They are known for their stealth and agility, able to silently stalk their prey before launching a powerful ambush. A closer look at reindeer life. Some populations of reindeer have been domesticated by indigenous peoples in the Arctic for various purposes, including transportation, milk, and meat. Reindeer are social animals that often form herds. Discovering hippos in their habitat. Despite their massive size, hippos are herbivores. They primarily feed on grass and have been known to travel several miles at night to graze. They have long tusks and powerful jaws, making them efficient at tearing through vegetation. Discovering the black bear's domain. Black bears are known for hibernating during the winter months in colder regions. However, the extent and duration of their hibernation can vary based on factors like local climate and food availability. Nature's monochrome marvels, Panda. Pandas are well adapted to living in high-altitude mountainous regions, and they have a special enzyme in their bodies that helps digest tough bamboo fibers. Pandas are generally solitary animals. The melody of geese calls. Geese are known for being protective parents, and they will fiercely defend their goslings from potential threats, including predators and humans. In the wild, geese can live up to 20 years or more, depending on the species. The enduring legacy of goats. Goats are hardy animals that can adapt to a variety of climates and terrains. They are often found in diverse environments from mountains to deserts. The gestation period for a goat is approximately 150 days. Female goats are called does. The secret lives of penguins. Penguins are found almost exclusively in the southeastern hemisphere, from the icy waters of Antarctica to the warmer climates of South Africa, Australia, and South America. Penguins are flightless birds adapted for life in the water. Discovering the wonders of llama. Llamas are social animals and are known to form strong bonds with other llamas. They often live in herds and can be very protective of each other. Llamas communicate through various sounds, including humming, the regal and resilient horse. Horses are social animals that form strong bonds with others, both within and outside their herd. They often display social hierarchy or pecking order. Horses have panoramic vision. The life cycle of curious deer. Despite their agility and keen senses, deer have several natural predators, including wolves, coyotes, bears, and big cats like mountain lions and tigers. The lifespan of deer varies depending on the species and environmental factors. Let's dive into the world of dogs. Dogs are famously loyal companions. They often form strong bonds with their human family members and can be very protective. Dogs serve in various roles, including search and rescue, police work, therapy, herding, and as loyal family pets. Harmony of life with moose. While moose are large and powerful, they do have natural predators, including wolves and bears. However, adult moose are formidable and can defend themselves effectively. Moose have a unique flap of skin called a bell. Unmasking the mystic of donkeys. Donkeys are known for their hardness and ability to adapt to different environments. Donkeys have been traditionally used for various tasks, including carrying loads, plowing fields, and providing transportation. Journey to wild side. The hyena. Spotted hyenas are efficient hunters and have been observed working together in groups to bring down large prey. They are also known for scavenging, often taking over kills made by other predators. Hyenas have often been misunderstood. Unraveling the mysteries of giraffe. Giraffes have excellent eyesight, which helps them detect predators from a distance. Their large eyes provide a wide field of view, and they are particularly good at spotting movement. Giraffes are social animals and often form loose, open groups. These groups, called towers, typically consist of females and their calves. Witnessing the grace of the lioness. Lionesses are strong and agile, with powerful bodies that enable them to take down and carry prey that can be as heavy as themselves. Lionesses are the primary hunters in a pride, working together to stalk and ambush prey. Lionesses are adaptable and can live in a variety of habitats, including grassland, savannas, and open woodlands. Let's unveil the rhinoceros marvels. Rhinoceroses are herbivores, primarily grazing on grasses, but they may also consume leaves, branches, and fruits. Rhinos inhabit a variety of ecosystems, including grassland, savannas, and dense forest, depending on the species. A close encounter with zebras. Zebras are social animals and often live in groups called harems. These groups usually consist of a dominant male, several females, and their offspring. Grave zebra are the largest and most endangered species of zebras. They are native to Eastern Africa and are known for their stripes. Encounter the bull in its habitat. Bulls are generally larger and heavier than cows. The size and weight can vary significantly depending on the breed. Bulls are often used symbolically. In many cultures, they represent strength, fertility, and power. The beauty and power of polar bear. Polar bears are well adapted to life in the Arctic with a thick layer of blubber and dense fur that insulates them from the cold temperatures. Polar bears are primarily found in the Arctic Circle, including the Arctic Ocean. Our next stop, the enigmatic cow. There are numerous breeds of cows, each with its own unique characteristic and traits. Some breeds are known for their milk production, while others are prized for their meat. Cows are highly social animals and form close bonds with members of their herd, often forming lifelong friendships with certain individuals. Gratitude for your attention to our farm animals cow, goat, giraffes, wild animals, lion, polar bear, hyena stuck in mud video. Subscribe now for this unforgettable adventure of courage and compassion as farm animals and wild creatures unite to overcome the challenges of being stuck in the mud. Let's make a difference and ensure a brighter future for all creatures, great and small. Until our next watery escapade, see you later, youngsters.